If we divide 183 by 5 in a long division method, 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we put down this 3 and it is 33. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 3. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 183 divided by 5 is 36.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.